Welcome, how are you doing? So today we're going to learn a very wonderful concept in programming, which is known as the background changer. We will learn how to use what JavaScript to control the background color of our project. So learning this is also good if you want to do dark mode for any of your projects. So no problem. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I will walk you through the process and call your friends. Let's come and let's go together. Okay guys, welcome, how you doing? So thank you for tuning in and for being a subscriber to this our channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe and tell it to your friends. Come on board, let's go together. So today we're going to learn how to build a background color changer. We're going to use a button to change the background color of our project. So you can also use this to also learn how to do dark themes. In case you have a point you want to put a dark theme, you can use this also for dark theme. So I've already set up the boilerplate. So now we already have our CSS links. This is here. We have our JavaScript links. Don't forget those, very important. Then here we're going to, under our title section, we will style our name our project. So we're going to put it background color changer. Okay, now let's go over to our body and let's start our work. Now first we're going to put a div and a class known as container. Good. So now the container will have three major elements: the h1, the button, and our color code that will tell us the current color code that we're actually changing from and changing to, just for more educational purposes. Okay, now our h1 now we will name it our background color changer. Okay, then now our button, we're going to put a button, very important. We're going to give it an ID. So the ID we're going to give it, we're going to use change color. That will be the ID of our button. So the ID of our button change color. Then we're going to give it we're going to name it. We're going to say change background color. So now we are going to come over here under this place. Now we're going to put our p tag, which will help us to the current color that we have in our hands. Okay, so we're going to put our p tag, which is p. We're going to give it an ID of color code, so we know the current color code that we're working with. Okay, so now we're going to put it current color. Okay, F. So we're going to make it like a 5F or so. Okay, a 6F. Good. So now let us work our way step by step to achieve this. But then I forgot to do one thing. I forgot to preview on live server. So right click, open with live server. So on live server you will see all our text we've written. Are you seeing that, guys? These are our text we've written. Okay, so let's go back to our CSS and style this up and make our work come to life. Okay, so now come to our CSS. Now we're going to specify the body. Okay, the body curly braces. Okay, the body will put a font family of Arial. Okay, so you see that it is changing here, right? Okay, so after that we are going to put our text align center. Sorry for that. Okay, text align center. Okay, so all our elements have aligned to the center. They're going to put a transition. Now transition is for our background. Transition for our background 0.5 seconds. We're going to put an ease in and out. Yes, ease in and out, so you can change the color in and out easily. Then after that we'll come down to our dot container. Okay, our dot container now, which is with a class, yes, of what we've styled in our HTML. Okay, so this is what we've styled in here. So we're going to give it a margin top of 20%. Okay, see, it gave this gap here, 20% margin top. Okay, so now we're going to create our buttons. Now let's style our buttons. So our buttons will put a padding of what 10 pixel up and down, then 15 pixel, 15 pixel, 15 pixel, 15 pixel left and right. Okay, do you see that our button style up and down 10 pixel, 15 pixel left and right. Okay, then we have what our font size. Our font size we want it to be what 18 pixel. That's will be our font size. Okay, yes, for the button. Then what our border will be none. Our border, sorry, not border end, our border will be none, so we have a no border. Okay, then our background color, I'm gonna, don't worry, I'm gonna put this on the GitHub repo so that you guys can have access to them anytime, anywhere, any form, in any way you have access to it by putting a GitHub repo for you. Okay, so now I've already give it a background color of the button. That's the background color of the button. Okay, then we're gonna put the words, our color of our text, we'll make it what white. So wow, I'm so happy you guys are learning this, because it's going to transform the way you do your work, and very drastically. So we're going to put a what a radius, a border radius of what 5 pixel. Okay, yes, the edges are now what curved. Okay, so we're going to put our, see, normal if you move right, nothing, the cursor does not change, but we want to put our cursor to be what pointer. Our cursor to be what pointer. Okay, so now okay, you gotta take that back. Okay, good. So our cursor now is now a pointer. Now let's go over to the button hover. Our button hover, that means when we hover over our button, what does it do? We change our background color to what hash 00 I0056 B3, I0056 B3. So if we hover our button, do you see that now? Are you seeing that, guys? Okay, so let's go over to our next concept, is our what our color code, our hash color code. Okay, let us tie that also. We put a margin top 10 pixel, margin top 10 pixel. Okay, you drew it. Then put our font size will be what 20 pixel. Okay, so make it bigger a little bit. Then we put our font width, you can choose it from here. You say what bold. Okay, so you see it now, it's bold. Let me go back to it. Let's make this one all capital letters. Let's see, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, let's leave it like that. Okay, it's refreshing, don't worry. Let's go back to our CSS. Okay, now that we have styled all this stuff, then let's go about our JavaScript and what make this what work. Okay, let's make this what work. Okay, now let's make this work. Now under our JavaScript, we're going to specify some things. We're going to specify our const. We're going to specify our const, change color button. Change color button is a variable, so document dot get element by id. We're going to choose what our change color. Okay, so once we've done that, we'll go to next. Now we'll specify another constant again. Constant is what our color code text. Okay, our color code text. So we're going to also get that one too, which is what document dot get element by id. Okay, we're going to specify a color code, which is what color code. Okay, so now guys, we have specified our two variables of our color code. Okay, so two variables of our color code have been specified. Then what next? We're going to create a random function whereby it iterates along the letters, and it gives us what a mathematical calculation, and helps us check our current color code, and give our background what. So currently now our background is white, so we're going to put a random color checker. Okay, so this is a function. Okay, so on that function we're going to get what, get random color. Okay, get random color, curly braces. They're going to put our const letters. Let's specify 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 A B C D E F. Don't worry guys, as we go through the project you will understand it more. So now let's create another variable, which is what, color. Another color, we're going to put it what, we're going to add a hashtag to it. So our letters and our color. So on that color now we're going to specify our color what, as a hash. Okay, we just give it a string there. These are both strings. Okay, these are both strings. Now we're going to create what, we're going to declare what, a for loop here. Now that for loop, what that for loop does, we're going to put a condition here. Say let I, okay, be equals to 0. Also when I is less than 6, then specify it what, we have to increment it. It will be incremented. Okay, so now whatever we specify as our condition here is whatever we put in our for loop here is what will happen after this our condition is met. Okay, so let's begin. Now we're going to put what, color, which we've gotten, that hashtag will be added okay, for you to see it very well, will be added towards letters. Okay, now the letters now will be determined by our math floor. So this is our math floor. Math.floor. Okay, math.floor will give us a random number. So a math.floor dot random, good, then multiply by what, 16. Okay, so this line of code runs a random number and gives us back a decimal abbreviated number. Don't worry, as we go on I will explain it more. Okay, then we're going to return the color. From here we'll click on what, return. Now this is it. So we've done that on return color. Then right under this one here we're going to specify another function again. So function, now we're going to specify what, okay, what I will do now, for us to be able to understand it more, you have to what, let me off our autosave, so that we all fully understand it, why the work is being done in our background. So now function, we're going to put what, change background color. We're going to specify, we're going to call a function known as what, change background color. Change background color. So under change background color, now this change background color is a function that we're going to use to run our background color changer. So we're going to put what, a const new color. So new color will be equals to what, get our random color. Yes, so the new color of the background will be equals to our get random color. Okay, now we're going to say document dot body dot style. Okay, document dot body dot style. Okay, document dot body dot style. Now we're going to change the word background color. Our background color will be changed towards new color. You see that, guys? So we get the document dot get element now, but we're not getting element, we're getting the body. We are changing the style of the body. We are changing the background to our new what, our new color over here. Okay, so let's go for the next line. They're going to say color code. Now color code text inner
dot inner text. Okay, so we want to get the color code text, inner text. Our color code text is here. We want to get the inner text. We want to change the inner text to our current color, our current color. Okay, so we're going to put what, a dynamic selector. So you look at it here, no, put what, new color. Yes, yes guys, yes guys. So I like you guys, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, please. As you're following up, don't forget to drop your comment in the comment section. I will also drop the link to the video in our what, in our GitHub repo, so that you can go to it and see the full code yourself and get access to it. Okay, okay. So now let's do one more step before we finish. Now, event listener for button click. Event listener for button click. Okay, so we're going to specify event listener for button click. So we're going to put what, change color button dot add event listener. Now the event now will listen for a what, a click, a click, a click. That's the event, a click. Then to now what, apply our function. Our function will now apply our function, which is what, change background color. Change what, background color. So change background color. Okay, so now let's do this. So now what does it say? That our change background color is an event listener, is a property that we use in styling, getting our buttons change color. Okay, so that button go to listen for what, add event listener, which is a click function, and to change whatever we click to the current background color, which is randomly what, selected over here. So our new color is being generated over here, which we're going to see in a GP. So let's press Ctrl X now. Okay, so it is FFF. So when I click this now, do you see that, guys? Do you see that, guys? Are you seeing that, guys? Are you seeing that, guys? So the moment you click, it changes the color to this new color I've gotten, and apply the color to the background of the what, of our text. So guys, you see that? So once you learn how to do this, you can be able to put a toggle button maybe somewhere here to toggle your background from light mode to dark mode. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I'm your boy Goodness, be update on how to be a good programmer. Do have a nice time. Bye bye.